So Vault is started and it's waiting for us to connect to it. So what we're going to do now, open up another command prompt or terminal window if you're in Linux. I'm going to minimize our Vault server window and just have the one window up. Let's go back to our Vault directory. What I want to do here, before I can run the Vault command line tool, which actually is the same executable as our Vault server, I need to set that Vault address from earlier. So you need to do this in your command prompt or your terminal. If you're always going to run Vault in the same way on the same server with the same address and the same port number, you can certainly set this environment variable in your shell permanently. In Windows, it could be in your Windows settings, or in Linux, it could be your whatever shell that you're using, your bash RC or your bash profile. Here, I'm just going to set it within the command prompt window itself. So now that we've told Vault where to find the server, the Vault client where to find the server, let's run Vault status to see if we can connect to the Vault server. Vault status is going to return some health checks on the Vault server itself. Perfect. So this definitely worked. So you can see here some information about the status of Vault. Most of this information is related to the sealed state, or whether it's unsealed, and the number of keys that were used to unseal that vault. But the key thing here to note is that we set an environment variable to connect to Vault, and then we ran the Vault status to confirm that we could connect. Okay, so now that we've connected, let's go ahead and write our first secret. And to do that, we're going to do Vault write secret cookie recipe equals sugar. And I'll explain this in just a second. This sounds kind of crazy. So Vault, when working with anything within Vault, all objects or resources are accessed using a file system like path structure. And we tell Vault, and Vault supports basically the HTTP or REST verbs for interfacing with that path. We can do reads, we can do writes, delete, list, put, post, get. So all these verbs are supported. And if I want to write a secret to Vault, I have to specify a path, a key, and a value. So in this example, I'm creating a secret named cookie with the key value pair of recipe equals sugar. So go ahead, type this in and hit enter. And you can see here that we've got a successful response. Data has been written to the path secret/cookie. So right now, Vault has stored this key value pair encrypted in memory. To verify Vault actually wrote this secret, we can read that secret back. To do that, you use the read parameter. So do a Vault read and then specify the same path, cookie. Okay. Whoops. A little typo there. Make sure you type it right, otherwise it's not going to find it. There we go. So you can see here that Vault responded with our key value pair of recipe and sugar, and it also came back with a refresh interval. This is essentially kind of like a time to live value, and we'll get more into time to live values for tokens and secrets later on. You can also ask Vault to return this in a different format, say JSON. To do that, do the Vault read secret cookie again, but we need to change this a little bit. We can specify a format of JSON. Now you can see what the original JSON response would have looked like. And you can see there's some additional information here. And we'll get more into the lease ID and lease duration and whether or not it's renewable. This additional metadata associated with this secret determines how long or how long a secret is valid for, and whether or not that life cycle or lifetime can be renewed. That's all this metadata means. It's that simple. We just wrote a static secret to Vault's default key value store. So let's say you want to update a secret. To update a secret, we just write over it. To do that, let's say we want to add another ingredient to our secret cookie recipe. To do that, we would just do a vault write secret / cookie recipe equals, and we're just going to do sugar and then flour. Whoop. And we can verify that actually took. And we can see the recipe now has 2 ingredients, sugar and flour, or 2 secrets, I should say. If you would like to learn more about using Hashicorp Vault to manage secrets, check out our online course linked in the description below this video. Thank you for watching.